Hello, my name is Jenny Rios. Eh, Image 3. 1. What are the people doing? They are having lunch. 2. We are they? They are in a restaurant. 3. What are they talking about, do you think? They are talking about their job. 4. What makes a good friends? Eh, spend good time they share experiences. 5. How do you stay in touch with your friends? I talk to them frequently. Thank you.